ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Katanat Public Health Engineering kelapan Jingïarap pisa Ndriu pun Ndriu Klur tengkah nak bentaban cina Pyndep eka skim sam jangka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 ya kanila Pyndep da Menteri Katanat PHE Gwss and Marak hak jingekren bagi lap thai kubor hak arpun Ndriu terik unai luar arajar pulai Marak ulai thu baka jingpan Jingïarap pisa sah Ndriu pun Ndriu Klur kalong nakadaw bagi tiar gitar kila nang kiodor nakadaw ke jingpan slam ban Pyndep eknik project sam umdi kabala bu thong ban Pyndep nadu snam arajar pra
Greater Water Supply Scheme, Shillong Greater Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. We got delayed because of many reasons there. Number one, we were having fund constraint. It was sanctioned in the year 2008. So by the time it's sanctioned, immediately we called a tender and then was awarded. But first installment was released, and then later on, several installment were got delayed because of the same late release from the government of India, and then there was some change of guard also. That's why it was delayed. And then second reason was that we were not getting permission from the PWD department because in the phase 2 package, phase 2 of the phase 3 of the package 2, which is distribution part in the entire Shillong city, there are 12 zones we have called for the tender. So out of that 12 zones, the a pipe where has to cross the PWD roads. The department were not giving the instant the same clearances for crossing the roads. So there also we took lots of time, and then forest clearance were also delayed, and cantonment board also took some time to get the clearance, and finally there's a Maplang, there's a Hima Maplang, they're the land owners there. So the pumping there, which were to be second pumping, which were to be installed in them side there, very close to the Umio River, that was not given till today. That is only pending now. Others we got the clearances, only the clearance from the Himama plant. So we are just awaiting for that Himama plant, because of which we could not start the construction of this phase 2 of the pumping in the phase 3 package 2 of the pumping. Two zones have already been completed. Rest are in the progress. They are doing the work. Several percentages. Some of the works are at very low percentage, say like 30%, 40%. But some are progressing very well. 2 already completed. So progressing very well. The contractors are local contractors, and they are very reputed, very good contractors of the department. You know very well about the traffic of Shillong city. So during that time we are not allowed to work. If PHE department is allowed to work during the daytime, entire traffic will be halted. So therefore the department, once after getting the permission also, we were allowed to work at the night only. So we are working at night only. So therefore these are the reasons why we took so long. For entire Shillong city, what I learned from the department is that we need only 41 mld of water per day, but we are pumping 51 mld of water. But because of leakages in the system, water is just wasting away, and distribution part is not looked after by PHE department. Distribution part is looked after by the municipal Shillong Municipal Board. So again, we don't have any control over the distribution there. So Shillong Municipal Board is looking after the distribution systems there. But Whatever the required amount of water is required, we are pumping it from the river Umyo. The Hima Maplang gives the permissions. We will be, constructing and laying the pipes which will, from stage 1. Stage 1 is a well pumping, where the pumping of water will be done from river, and it will be pushed to the stage 2. The stage 2 is the place where Hima Maplang yet to be given the permission. So that stage 2 pumping will push the water to the treatment plant. So that is the issue where we are stuck. By the PHE department, we are, laying new pipes now. We are replacing with the new pipes, and we have replaced most of the pipes that are probably, very likely of bursting and leaking. So PHE department is looking after. But the distribution part, as I said, the reservoirs manned by them, and then the pipes manned by them. We don't have any say over there. It's looked after by the municipal board. In the pastry, we will be pumping another 8 mld of water. So through that, we will be hoping to give extra water that will be required for the Shillong city.